Namibia in southern Africa is massive, but only 3 million people. Towering dunes and the white clay of Sossusvlei feel like a different planet. You might recognize it from the 1980 movie The Gods Must Be Crazy. Yep, filmed right here in the Kalahari Desert. Plus Dune. Its capital, Windhoek, was voted one of the cleanest cities in Africa, but I came for the lions. Let's go. By the hair. All right, we're going to feed our lions.
Yeah.
All right. At the same time, right?
Yes,
That makes sense.
It was, yeah, because they were tied over a piece of meat.
King of the jungle.
Oh, there's nothing better. We fed the lions here at Harness Wildlife Foundation in eastern Namibia, where they care for a lot of big cats, animals, predators, all types. And I was joined by Fabian there, who's a volunteer. And there's maybe 20 to 50 per week. They come from all over the world and have an experience to take care of animals. And we're lucky enough just to join them this morning. And we've been feeding, so that was good. Oh, thank you. Now I get to wash my hands. Nothing better than a great meal, and the lions will eat once a day. And now they're off. They've carried their food off, haven't they?
Yes.
Okay, this is an awesome experience. Everyone should experience if they can here in Africa, eastern Namibia at Harness. Ciao. What an amazing experience feeding the big cats and seeing them up close. Plus spending time with the staff and awesome volunteers of the Wildlife Foundation. Maria, now we're with a leopard that you're actually going to be able to pet?
Yeah.
And, wow. And now we were with Hellboy and Dolce and Gabbana that we couldn't get anywhere near.
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference? Why is she so friendly?
Well, all of them were hand raised here, but for some reason, she has become more like a pet than a wild leopard.
Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. Wow.
So she loves to play and she loves to be pet. She's sweet 16.
Sweet 16. Oh, that is so pretty.
Yes.
And she's about maybe just 4 feet in length. And
Yes.
what do you think she weighs? Maybe just over 100 pounds? Or kilos?
Maybe.
40 kilos?
Oh, no, more than 40 kilos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because they're solid. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Last again.
And she let us. Hello from Namibia in Southwest Africa. We've got hippos on the move. There's a family of 5 hippos that were all taking a family nap just a couple of minutes ago. And now they're waking up. I guess it's time to, all right, yeah, time to get up. Oh, there's Papa. Okay, there's the biggest one right there. Now, what are we supposed to do?
Mostly the big one are the one to make decisions.
Okay, and what do you think he's deciding everyone should do right now? Everyone's getting up and taking a walk?
Pardon?
What are they going to do right now? They're going to get in the
Now
water?
they're getting back in the water.
Back in the water because...
It can be that because of us. Sometimes they can decide without even when they see anyone.
Okay.
So they can decide on their own.
So do they know we're here? We're about 150 meters away. They know we're here?
Yeah, they know.
Plus, it's time to get cooled off because they can only spend so much time out in the sun because of that sensitive skin. They got to get cooled off. So they're joining the other 2 that were in the water. There's 3 more that just got in, and there's Papa. I guess he's making sure everybody gets in there. Oh, that's really, really cool. Namibia, Africa, folks. Southwestern Africa, right above South Africa, right below Angola on the Atlantic Ocean. We are well inland in the I guess we call these the highlands. I mean, how far is the water from here? 300 kilometers?
Yeah, the water.
Yeah, the ocean.
Yeah.
We're here in the desert highlands, and it's quite arid and a beautiful watering hole. All right, see you, hippos. Have a nice time in the water.
So that's water. Water. So that's water. It's a root. that is full of water. So
Really?
it's like watermelon. So
So
we dig it and then it's like a big watermelon, really big. You take it out, clean it, cut it in the middle, and then stamp it, crush it inside, and then take out what you have crushed, and then you have like a whole piece of water. You squeeze it out, or you can also cut it, slice it, and just eat it like you eat watermelon.
Wow.
Yeah. That's the root of the stem that you see there. Yeah, where he's, yeah. So that one. Yeah, so that's it. So it can grow really long.
Okay, now I noticed there's some really sharp arrows in here. None of them are poison, right? Okay, fine. Okay, well, here we go. Bringing this back from eastern Namibia near the Botswana border in the Kalahari desert with a bow and arrow. That's a love function. Thank you.
Wonderful, great.
Spending time with the San Bush people in the Kalahari left me full of gratitude and wonder. They showed me how to track animals across dry earth, find water hidden inside roots, and craft tools and arrows with the simplest natural materials. But what stayed with me was their warm joy deeply connected to the land. I'll never forget them. And thanks to my fantastic guide, Peter Hine, who took me there. Those impalas seem pretty relaxed. Okay, wow, it's quite a collection of impalas.
See, most of them, they're all females with only one male here.
Oh, right. One male with the horns.
But there's also young males that you see with these short horns. Those ones were just born in this group. That's why they are still here.
And you think they were finding something to eat out there?
Yeah. So this one, the good thing about them, they are mixed feeders. So they feed on both grass and leaves. Like at the moment, as we can see that it's more dry and there is not enough grass. So mostly at this time of the year, they more prefer going for the grass, for the leaves. I mean.
Grass and leaves. That's a mixed eater. Okay.
Baboons like that. So we don't say it's a group or we say it's a troop.
A troop of baboons.
Yeah, a troop of baboons.
All right. Let's have a look at some baboons. Okay, we are in Namibia. Oh, is that a lake, Festus?
That's a dam.
That's a dam.
Yeah.
Okay, we're in just outside of Windhoek in Namibia, southwestern Africa, on a game drive, and we've just spotted a family of baboons. I saw a couple little ones too. Now you have to look in the. There's quite a few. I'd say there's about 10 or so. They're moving from left to right, and there's a straggler. Hey, what are you doing, little guy?
It's quite a big group.
Okay, folks, our last stop on the Osheta Market here in Windhoek, Namibia, and we couldn't finish the market without some of these delicacies. How about these Mapani worms? Now, you recently acquired your taste for Mapani.
Yes.
You weren't allowed to eat them when you were a kid, right?
No.
But why is that?
It was a luxury. It was only for the adults.
Well, I got a chance to try some of these Mapani worms recently. They're so good. And also, this fruit is awesome. I love the catfish and the sardines, or little fish, little dried fruit. And I've learned how to say good morning. Ongepi. And the response is Nawa, so I feel very Namibian.
And who taught you?
Joseph taught me here from the Osheta Market.
Wonderful. Okay.
Even if I didn't love the Mopani worms, my heart was full from the beautiful people I met across Namibia, starting with Windhoek, the capital, and its great sights. But the best memories of all will be the Kalahari Desert and these magnificent beasts that roam wild. It's their country, not ours, and we're just happy to see them. And I think we got to help a couple of them as well. I hope everyone gets to visit Namibia sometime soon.